Hello, my dear student. Welcome once again the course number 1, that is the electrodynamics in MSc First Physics. In previous video, we will discuss the wave equation, electromagnetic waves in conducting medium, and also we will obtain the formula for skin depth, that is the refractive index and phase velocity. And we have seen the definition of the skin depth. In this video, we will discuss the definition of skin depth and some numerical problems on that topic, that is the skin depth, that is the delta. In this video, let's see the definition of this skin depth and obtain the formula for skin depth. Skin depth, the definition of that skin depth is in previous video we will also discuss that point, that is the skin depth. Definition are the distance traveled by electromagnetic wave in a conducting medium. The distance traveled by electromagnetic wave in a conducting medium when the amplitude of wave decreases by a factor 1 by e times is known as a skin depth. What is meant by skin depth? The distance traveled by electromagnetic wave in a conducting medium when the amplitude of wave decreases by a factor 1 by e times is known as a skin depth. Because in previous video we will also discuss that point. Then skin depth is denoted by delta, and that's delta is equal to 1 divided by beta. Let's see this diagram. This is the conducting medium, this is the conducting medium, and this is the electromagnetic wave. Then outside the conducting medium, the electromagnetic wave has a same magnitude, that is same amplitude, that is the E naught. E naught is the amplitude. This conducting medium, outside the conducting medium, this electromagnetic wave has the same amplitude, that is the E naught. When this electromagnetic wave enter in that conducting medium, then amplitude of this wave decreases. Amplitude of wave will be decreases. This is show in the diagram. In this electromagnetic wave enter into that conducting medium, this amplitude will be decreases of 1 by e times, and that distance is known as a skin depth, that is the delta. Then we will obtain the formula for skin depth. That we use the formula delta is equal to 1 divided by beta. Then the value of beta in previous point, that is the electromagnetic waves in conducting medium, we will find out the value of beta and alpha, but we will use the only value of beta, that beta is equal to omega square root of mu epsilon divided by 2 in bracket -1 plus minus square root of 1 plus sigma square divided by omega square epsilon square raised to 1 by 2. But in that formula, delta is equal to 1 divided by beta. Beta is denominator. Then we put the value of beta, then delta is equal to, let's see the last equation, delta is equal to 1 divided by omega square root of epsilon mu divided by 2 in bracket -1 plus minus square root of 1 plus sigma square divided by omega square epsilon square raised to half. Then this term will be transformed in numerator. Then their change will be that delta is equal to this 1 divided by omega as it is, but this square root term mu epsilon divided by 2 transform in that side, this take reciprocal, that square root of 2 divided by mu epsilon, because this 2 factor will be in denominator in previous term. In this term it 2 will be numerator, and that bracket -1 plus minus square root of 1 plus sigma square divided by omega square epsilon square raised to half, there will be the power sign will be changed, and that is in bracket -1 plus minus square root of 1 plus sigma square divided by omega square epsilon square raised to -1 by 2. But in that 2 step only, this beta will be denominator, transform in that is numerator, that will be the changes are given. These square root terms will be changes, this 2 will denominator, then in that next term it will be the numerator, and the power of this bracket term it will be the plus. Transform in numerator it will be the minus. But for good conductors, this ratio sigma divided by omega epsilon is greater than 1. That means this ratio is greater than 1. So delta is equal to 1 divided by omega square root of 2 divided by mu epsilon in bracket minus 1 plus minus this ratio sigma divided by omega epsilon is greater than 1. That's why this 1 in square root of 1 plus this 1 will be neglected, because this ratio is greater than 1, and the remaining term is minus 1 plus minus square root of sigma divided by omega epsilon bracket square, because these three all are squares. That means bracket square raised to minus 1/2. In this next step, this square root and this square root and square get cancelled, remaining only term in bracket minus 1 plus minus sigma divided by omega epsilon, in that power is minus 1 by 2 as it is, and this term as it is 1 divided by omega square root of 2 divided by mu epsilon, and this in bracket this square root get cancelled, remaining term as it is. But this ratio for good conductor sigma divided by omega epsilon is greater than 1. That's why this minus 1 will be neglected, and remaining term is sigma divided by omega epsilon raised to minus 1/2, and this omega in we take this omega inside the square root, but outside the square root it will be the only omega. Inside this square root it will be the changes, that is the omega square, and that square root of 2 divided by mu epsilon omega square. Okay, this omega in that step outside the square root, but next step we take inside the square. That's why this is the omega square, and this sigma divided by omega I raised to minus 1/2. This because minus 1 get neglected because this ratio is greater than 1. In that next step, this square root term as it is square root of 2 divided by mu epsilon omega square, but in that this term as it is, but in that case taking reciprocal, that means this omega epsilon, this is the denominator, taking reciprocal, that term will be transformed in numerator, and numerator term transform denominator. That's why omega epsilon divided by sigma, this is reciprocal, but we change in that term numerator denominator, and denominator is numerator. That's why the effect of this power sign, it will be the minus, it will be the plus, because we changes the numerator and denominator, and raised to 1/2 means square root, and this we write in next step this term in square root of omega epsilon divided by sigma, and this square root term as it is square root of 2 divided by omega epsilon mu epsilon omega square. Then we write in one separate, not a separate square root, one single square root, and this is delta is equal to square root of 2 divided by omega epsilon omega square multiplied by omega epsilon divided by 2. This omega and omega square, one omega get cancelled, epsilon get cancelled, a remaining term in numerator 2, and denominator mu omega sigma. Let's see the last equation. Delta is equal to square root of 2 divided by mu sigma omega, and this is the formula for skin tape. In previous video we will also show this formula. This skin tape delta is equal to square root of 2 divided by mu sigma omega, and where omega is equal to 2 pi f. In next section we will discuss some numericals problems on that, based on that topic, skin tape. Let's see the first problem. Find the ratio of skin depth in copper at 1 kilohertz to 100 megahertz. Means we have to find the ratio of skin depth. We have to find the ratio of skin depth in copper, and we given as a frequency 1 kilohertz to 100 megahertz. Let's write firstly given quantities. Given quantity, that is the two frequency f1 and f2. f1 is equal to 1 kilohertz and f2 is equal to 100 megahertz. Then this kilohertz is converted into hertz, and this megahertz is converted into hertz. That's why 1 kilohertz is converted into hertz. That means 1 multiplied by kilo means 10 to the power 3, and mega means 100 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. Firstly we will convert the kilohertz megahertz into hertz. Then we will we have to find the ratio. That means delta 1 divided by delta 2 is equal to question mark, because we have to find that ratio. But formula are delta is equal to square root of 2 mu sigma omega, but omega is equal to 2 phi f. Then we write firstly this delta 1 is equal to 2 divided by mu and omega is equal to 2 pi, that means 2 pi f1, because f1 and f2 we are given sigma as it is. Delta 2 is equal to 2 divided by mu 2 pi f2 into sigma. Then we write in the ratio, that means fraction form, delta 1 divided by delta 2. Firstly write delta 1 2 divided by square root of 2 divided by mu 2 pi f1 sigma whole divided by square root of 2 divided by mu 2 pi f2 sigma. Then this term will be transformed in that side. This denominator term, it will be the numerator and numerator term will be denominator. And let's see the last step, delta 1 divided by delta 2 whole square root 2 divided by mu 2 pi f1 divide sigma into mu 2 pi f2 sigma divided by 2. 2 get cancelled, mu get cancelled, 2 pi get cancelled, sigma get cancelled. Remaining in square root of numerator term will be f2 and denominator term will be f1. And this delta 1 divided by delta 2 is equal to square root of f2 minus f1. f2 is 100 into 10 to the power 6 and f1 is the 1 into 10 to the power 3. Then we write 100 by 100 and this 10 raised to the minus plus 3 transform in numerator, it will be the minus. That's why 10 raised to 6 minus 3 and square root of 10 to 10 multiply by 6 minus 3, 10 to the power 3 and 100 means 10 to the power 2 and multiply by 10 to the power 3. Base same power will be added and that's 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, that's why 10 to the power 5. And this we calculate the square root of 10 to the power 5 and the ratio are delta 1 divided by delta 2 is equal to 316.22. We calculate by using the scientific calci, then we find that ratio delta 1 divided by delta 2 is equal to 316.22. This is the ratio. This is the first numerical. Then next one are the determine the skin depth. Determine the skin depth in seawater with conductivity 5 ohm meter raised to minus 1 at 10 gigahertz frequency. Problem are determine the skin depth in seawater with conductivity 5 ohm meter raised to minus 1 at 10 gigahertz frequency and given mu is equal to mu naught 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Then given quantity are that conductivity sigma will be given, frequency will be given and mu will be given. Then we find the skin depth delta. But in that case this sigma is conductivity is equal to 5 ohm meter raised to minus 1. We know the unit of conductivity, that is the Siemens per meter. But Siemens is the reciprocal of ohm. Okay, we write generally that unit's conductivity, that is the Siemens per meter. But we write as a this problem is arises due to the question paper. Problems are in question papers and the unit are conductivity 5 ohm meter raised to minus 1. But generally we know the unit of conductivity Siemens per meter. But Siemens is the reciprocal of ohm. That means 1 Siemens is equal to 1 divided by 1 ohm. That's why we write as a ohm meter raised to minus 1. Okay. Then next one are the mu is equal to mu naught 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter and frequency 10 gigahertz. Giga means multiply by 10 to the power 9. That's why let's see 10 multiply by 10 to the power 9 hertz and we calculate delta. Okay, we write as a conductivity unit sigma ohm meter raised to minus 1 because Siemens per meter, generally unit Siemens per meter, but Siemens is a reciprocal of ohm. That's why Siemens is equal to 1 divided by ohm. That's why ohm meter raised to minus 1 because per meter, Siemens per meter. Okay. Then we calculate the delta, that is the skin depth. Then formula delta is equal to square root of 2 divided by mu omega sigma. Put W is equal to 2 pi f. Then we calculate the delta. 2 divided by mu 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. 2 into pi 14 multiply by frequency 10 into 10 to the power 9 multiply by sigma 5 conductivity. Then pi, we put the value of pi 2 divided by 4 into 3.14 multiply by 10 to the power minus 7 multiply by 2 into 3.14 multiply by 10 into 10 to the power 9 multiply by 5. Then in next step, square root of 2 divided by this 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 9. Base will be same. Then add these two power, then add sum of these to power minus 7 plus 9. It will be the 10 to the power plus 2. And all terms will be multiplied. Answer will be 3943.84. Then this 10 to the power 2, it will be the denominator. Transform in numerator, it will be the sign will be changed, 10 to the power minus 2. And this division, 2 divided by 3943.84, it will be the, this divine is, let's see the last term, that is a 0.00050712 into 10 to the power minus 2. But this term, 0.0040, that's why multiply by this 5.071 last term 10 to the power minus 2, and it will be the add 10 to the power minus 4, this 40 minus 2 minus 4, it will be the minus 6. Let's see this minus 6 and the square root of this term, that will 10 to the power minus 6 remaining 10 to the power minus 3, and square root of 5.0712 is the 2.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and we write as a minus 3, that means 2.25 millimeter. Okay, the square root of 10 to the power minus 6 is a 10 to the power minus 3, and square root of this 5.0712 is a 2.25. These are the answer of this problem, that is the skin depth. And last one is the calculate the frequency. Calculate the frequency at which the skin depth in seawater 1 meter, and that's given quantity mu is equal to mu naught 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter, and sigma is equal to 4.3 ohm meter raised to minus 1. Okay. Let's see the given quantity, solution of that. Firstly, we write given quantity mu is equal to mu naught 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Sigma is equal to 4.3 ohm meter raised to minus 1. Skin depth 1 meter, and we calculate the frequency. Then we use the formula delta is equal to 2 divided by mu sigma omega. Omega is equal to 2 pi of we put, but we calculate the frequency. That's why this square, this taking square on both sides, this delta square root get cancelled, remaining 2 divided by 2 pi f mu sigma, 2 get cancelled, delta square is equal to remaining 1 divided by mu sigma pi f. But we calculate f, this f, let's see the last equation, last term, this f is transform in that side, it will be the multiply, and this delta square transform in that side, it will be the divide. That's why next equation f is equal to 1 divided by mu pi sigma delta square. Then we put the sum all values, f is equal to 1 divided by mu 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, 3.14 delta 4.3 multiplied by 1 square. Then we 4 pi 4, next step 1 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 4.3 into 1. Then this power 10 to the power minus 7 as it is. Then multiply all this 4 into 3.14 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 4.3. Answer multiplication will be 169.58514. This 10 to the power minus 7 transform in numerator. This minus sign will be changed. That will be the plus, and we can divide this 1 divided by 169.58512. This division will be 5.005896 into 10 to the power 7. Then 0.00, that means 10 to the power minus 3, 10 raised to minus 7 minus 3, and this point will be 5.896. Remaining term 10 to the power 7 minus 3, 10 to the power plus 4, and this, but we these terms we write either 10 to the power 3. That's why point will be shifted in RHS. That means f is equal to, let's see the second last equation, f is equal to 58.96 into 10 to the power 3 hertz, and we write 10 to the power 3, that means we write as a kilohertz, that f is equal to 58.96 kilohertz. These are the some numericals problems on that point skin depth. In previous video we will discuss next point. Thank you.